This is my sister Charlene. We're out in the ministry, and here is this beautiful, beautiful waterfall up in the mountains. Let me introduce you to my friend Susanna. This is Susanna, my friend. She went to Ecuador. Oh, and I'm trying to talk her into going to Nicaragua with me. There it is. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Look at it, and there's a little bench there so you can sit down.
That's what I was sitting on.
Oh, nice. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Look at the trees up there. The forest. Isn't it wonderful to go in field service in the forest? Hola, mi amigos. This is your old pal, Deborah. Talk to you next time.